everyone, Shivangi this side again, and here today I am going to teach you about future tense. Future is not known to anyone, that is very true, but here we are talking about that how we need to express ourselves whenever we are talking about future. When whatever is going to come is called future. We will discuss about it. Before that, I want you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, so that you can keep learning. English is all about English. Channel is all about English, so I'll be definitely uploading number of videos that will help you to learn English really fast. Let's talk about future tense. Like if I talk about simple future, then as I told you earlier that sentence is made up of three things, that is subject, verb and object. That has been already told to you. So in this video I need to teach about what we have to write, how it is different from other tenses. Like if I talk about future tense, then obviously this tense will start with subject as like other tenses. Then we have to use will. Then we have to use first form of verb. Then we have to put object. So guys, when we were in school, if I talk about myself, that there was a time when people were using will and shall. I mean will or shall actually. But nowadays we can easily use shall with I and we also. There is like whatever the subject is, you can write will very with complete comfort. So we have to use subject will plus first form of verb plus object, right? Like if I talk about that, how are you going to spend, how will you spend your coming Sunday, then you will say I will get up this time, I'll do this. And one more thing in this tense I would like to teach you is, like if I talk about I and will together, to make it listen good or to make it look good, you can say, as far as speaking is concerned, we started using I'll more instead of I will. That looks simpler, that looks good. So you can also try that, start using I'll instead of I will. So we can say that, like if I talk about my future, my coming Sunday, then I'll say that I'll get up early in the morning. Not exactly actually. I'll get up late in the morning. I'll cook, then again I'll do that. I'll make video, I'll learn, I'll teach. Whatever I'll do, I can explain by using will plus first form of verb. That's how. And it's as simple as that. Nothing is difficult in this. You need to just keep in mind that you have to use will plus first form of verb as far as future simple tense is concerned. Now, let's talk about the negative of future tense. In past, we were using did not. In present, we were using do not, does not. Here, we do not require any additional helping verb because the helping verb already exists in future tense. So what we need to do is we need to use will not, because will always there in future. So we do not require to put any helping verb from outside. Don't need to remember anything. So it's very simple. We need to use will not. And the abbreviation of will not is want. It's W-O-N, apostrophe and T. We do not get confused in that want. That means we need something, we want something, and that want is W-O-N, apostrophe and T. Plus, again, it also takes first form of verb only. Do not get confused in that. That is what about future simple tense. I hope I make you understand this better. If I did this, please like, comment that in comment section. In case if you are facing any difficulty, still I want you to write that in comment so that we can discuss that thing in deep manner, in detail. And I would definitely reply all you guys, whosoever will comment. And do like my video if you like it. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it so that you can learn well. You should keep supporting, keep watching, and happy learning. Keep learning. English is very interesting language. Guys, I would say that if you follow these videos 1 to 3, 1 to 10, whatever I'll be making in my future, I am sure that you'll be having complete expertise in tense, which is at most important as far as English language is concerned. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning.